Now the news. We've sorted through the latest releases to bring you the most exciting new guns that are making waves right now. What's cooler than an M1 carbine? An M1 carbine with a short barrel and a suppressor. And that's exactly what Auto Ordnance is bringing with its M1 carbine SBR. Not only is the barrel chopped down to 12 inches, but its muzzle is threaded half by 28 for easy suppressor installation. Chambered for the original .30 carbine cartridge, the M1 carbine SBR is available with either a 15 or 10 round magazine. It features a flip-style rear sight and an American walnut stock and handguard. The short barrel and threaded muzzle aren't the only modernized additions either, as it has 3 integrated M-LOK slots on the bottom of the fore-end for attaching accessories. The Auto Ordnance M1 Carbine SBR has an MSRP of $1,870. What happens when you take out one of America's most trusted lever-action rifles and cut it down into a compact powerhouse? You get the Henry Bear's Leg. Offered in .357 Magnum, .44 Magnum, .30-30 Winchester, and .45-70 Government, the Bear's Leg pistol is purpose-built for versatility and hard use. Each model features a factory-threaded barrel, a polymer handguard with M-LOK slots and a Picatinny rail section, fiber optic sights, a large loop lever, and a side-loading gate. The design also has a pistol grip that's an abbreviated version of the X model's buttstock that also has a molded in-sling mount. The result is a lever-action pistol platform equally suited for range use, truck carry, property duty, camp utility, and lawful customization where permitted. Magazine capacity is 3 rounds in .30-30 and .45-70 and 4 rounds in the short-action revolver calibers. The Henry Repeating Arms Bear's Leg in any chambering has an MSRP of $1,129. Springfield Armory's latest addition to its Model 2020 line is the Heat Seeker. Unlike previous Model 2020 rifles, the Heat Seeker is chassis-based and more of a tactical or competition gun than a traditional hunting rifle. At its core, the Heat Seeker features the same Model 2020 action as its cousins. It comes sporting a coyote brown Cerakote finish and is available in 6.5 Creedmoor and .308 Winchester. Where it differs is its Sharp Brothers chassis. Made of a single piece of high-strength 6061 T6 aluminum, it features plenty of M-LOK slots and QD cups on its fore-end for accessories, and the action housing can accept AR-15 buffer tubes and AR pattern pistol grips. The rifle is shipped with a B5 Systems CPS stock and a B5 Systems P-Grip 23 grip. The Heat Seeker also uses AICS pattern magazines and has a threaded barrel. The Heat Seeker also comes with a .75 MOA accuracy guarantee in the hands of a skilled shooter, no doubt partly due to its free-floated 16-inch BSF barrel jacketed and a roll-wrapped carbon fiber sleeve and its adjustable TriggerTech field trigger. MSRP for the Springfield Armory Model 2020 Heat Seeker is $2,355. All right, moving on. This one's big. Ruger's completely re-engineered their modern sporting rifle lineup. The Harrier line of AR pattern guns include 2 rifles chambered in .556 NATO. Both models feature a rigid, free-floated 15-inch handguard with M-LOK accessory slots, but differ in configuration to meet varying shooter preferences. Model 28600 features a mid-length gas system, Magpul MOE K2 grip, Magpul DT carbine stock, and a handguard with a full-length Picatinny top rail. Model 28601 is equipped with a carbine-length gas system, classic black A2 grip, M4 collapsible stock, and a lighter profile handguard without a full-length top rail. Each Harrier rifle is built with forged 70-75 aluminum upper and lower receivers that meet mil-spec standards and are finished with Type 3 hard-coat anodizing. The lower receiver is equipped with a GI single-stage trigger, safety selector, and trigger guard, along with an integrated tension screw that allows users to fine-tune upper to lower fitment. A mil-spec carbine buffer tube with a staked castle nut, standard recoil spring, and carbine weight buffer complete the lower assembly. Each flat-top upper receiver includes Picatinny rail slots, a forward assist, dust cover, brass deflector, and mil-spec charging handle. The 16.1-inch barrels are black nitride coated for corrosion resistance and incorporate 1 and 8-inch twist button rifling, a 5.56 NATO chamber, and half by 28 TPI muzzle threads capped with a classic A2 flash hider. Within the bolt carrier group, the bolt carrier and gas key are all finished in black nitride, the firing pin chrome is plated, and the gas key staked for secure attachment. These enhancements are designed to ensure smooth operation and long-term performance in even the most adverse conditions. The Harrier 28601 retails for $699, while the Harrier 28600 retails for $749. Love it or hate it, the Kel-Tech Sub SDP has become one of the year's most talked about firearms for one simple reason: it completely breaks the mold. The pistol, dubbed the Nub Sub in the company's own marketing materials, is based on the Kel-Tech Sub 2000 folding carbine, made into a pistol format and sporting a stabilizing brace instead of a stock on a shorter extension tube and a 6-inch barrel. Set up to take Glock pattern 9mm double stacks, the base model ships with a Magpul 15-round magazine. When unfolded, the Sub SDP has an overall length of 17.7 inches, but it shrinks down to just 10 inches once folded. This allows it to be stowed and carried in a very small package, but also ready to be rapidly deployed and accurately fired with the help of its integrated pistol brace. More than that, it's ready to accept plenty of accessories as well. It has a Picatinny rail on top of its handguard for mounting optics, and it can still be folded with the optic installed. It also has M-LOK slots for mounting lights or lasers, and it's ready to take a suppressor too, as its 6-inch barrel is threaded 1/2 by 28. The Kel-Tech Sub SDP is available in two configurations, the Standard model and the Defender model. Both use Glock pattern 9mm magazines, but the Standard model comes with one flush-fit 17-round mag, while the Defender model comes with two 27-round mags. Why two for the Defender? Because it also ships with a front M-LOK magazine holder, as well as a pre-installed compensator and Vortex Crossfire red dot. The standard Kel-Tech Sub SDP has an MSRP of $600, while the Defender model has an MSRP of $800. Suppressed short barrel AR-15s and .300 Blackout are a match made in heaven. And that's exactly what Smith & Wesson is offering with its M&P 15 Axe models. They're available as either a factory SBR or as a braced pistol, but both versions feature 8-inch barrels and are optimized for use with suppressors. That suppressor optimization is thanks to the built-in Gemtech GVAC technology. It adds an expansion chamber that allows excess gas to vent forward out of the muzzle, significantly reducing the gas blowback your face will receive while shooting with a can. Other features of the M&P 15 Axe 300 BLK firearms include 7-inch Midwest Industries Combat M-LOK free-floated handguards, enhanced bolt carrier groups, Radian Raptor ambidextrous charging handles, ambidextrous controls, and M&P pistol grips. The pistol version comes equipped with a Magpul BTR arm brace, and the SBR version comes with a Magpul CTR adjustable stock and Williams folding adjustable sights. As for barrels, both feature 8-inch 5R rifled barrels with a 1 in 7.5-inch twist rate and 5/8 by 24 threaded muzzles. The Smith & Wesson M&P 15 300 BLK Axe pistol has an MSRP of $1,480, and the SBR version has an MSRP of $1,500, and both ship with a 30-round magazine. Some rifles are built for the range. This one was built for the places beyond. Designed to tag along in the world's most inhospitable environments, the Henry SPD Cruiser 4570 government lever-action rifle is the final result of a long collaboration between Henry's own Special Projects Division and the gearheads at Field Ethos. Hitting the scales at just 6.7 pounds with an overall length of 35.25 inches, the gun is handy but still comes chambered in the hard-hitting 4570 government with a 4+1 capacity. The weight comes from a tension-wrapped carbon fiber sleeve on its 16.5-inch match-grade 416R stainless steel barrel. It also has a ton of M-LOK slots, a 5/8 by 24 threaded muzzle, a Picatinny top rail with an integrated adjustable ghost ring rear sight, and a brass bead front sight. The Henry SPD Cruiser features a diamond-like carbon coating on moving parts such as the hammer, trigger, bolt body, and side-loading gate for wear and corrosion resistance, while a midnight blue Cerakote finish is used on the sights, barrel, receiver, lever, outer mag tube, and thread protector. This is contrasted with midnight bronze Cerakote and the aluminum M-LOK forearm, as well as the matching synthetic buttstock. The MSRP of the Henry SPD Cruiser rifle is $2,499. Built by Derya Arms, the ZY9 is a 9mm blowback pistol caliber carbine featuring a sleek, modern, and ergonomic design packed with useful features. The The firearm has a hard anodized aluminum alloy upper and lower receiver and is available with either a 5.9-inch or 10-inch barrel. The ZY9 comes equipped with a full-length 22mm Picatinny rail, allowing the installation of a wide range of accessories, along with a folding mechanical rear sight and an adjustable stock. Its black aluminum M-LOK handguard and AR-15 style control layout further enhance the platform's versatility and familiarity. Depending on configuration, the ZY9 weighs between 3.9 and 4.4 pounds. All models in the ZY9 family field strip in the same manner as an AR-15 and feature an AR-15 compatible grip. They can also be fitted with an M4 type buffer tube and a collapsible buttstock. Additionally, the ZY9 is compatible with 9mm Glock magazines of any make and capacity, further increasing its versatility and appeal. Next up, we're looking at a double-stacked 1911 with a hybrid modular frame, where the main frame and grip module are bolted together. In the VKP Pro's case, the frame is made of 416 stainless steel with an attached reinforced polymer grip module with Vector's custom grip surface. Chambered in 9mm, the pistol feeds from STI pattern magazines and uses a 4.40-inch bushingless bull barrel. Vector calls the VKP Pro single-action combat match trigger, and it's tuned for a 3.5-pound pull weight with a clean break and a positive reset. The pistol has an overall length of 6.9 inches and weighs 56 ounces. All metal components are steel with no MIM parts used. Metal surfaces are finished in a diamond-like coating with color options of armor black, flat dark earth, sniper gray, and green. Optics ready, the VKP Pro uses an adapter plate system and comes with co-witness height XS sights. Each VKP Pro pistol ships in a case with 4 Atlas magazines and 3 optics plates. The Vector VKP Pro has an MSRP of $4,000. From the mind of Henry's Special Products Division comes a Predator hunter's dream, the Henry SPD Predator. Chambered in .223 Rem and 5.56 NATO, the SPD Predator is a lever-action precision rifle designed for varmint and predator hunting. Henry boasts that it's the most accurate lever-action rifle ever built and the only lever-action rifle backed by a 3-shot sub-MOA accuracy guarantee. The SPD Predator is based on the same design as the lever-action Supreme rifle, which was recently named 2025 Rifle of the Year by Guns & Ammo. The new model is configured for predator and varmint hunters who need a lightweight, stable platform capable of longer range shots and quick transitions. The rifle is chambered in .223, 5.56, and is suppressor ready. A key feature is the match-grade 416R stainless barrel that's tension-wrapped in carbon fiber to increase rigidity and reduce overall weight. The barrel is threaded by 1/2 by 28 to accommodate suppressors. Henry states that reduced recoil and a lower sound signature provide practical advantages when calling predators or when multiple animals may respond to a stand. The rifle is equipped with a forged carbon fiber Picatinny rail to support LPVOs or higher magnification optics. The gray laminate stock set includes an adjustable comb for a repeatable cheek weld, and the trigger is factory tuned to approximately 4 pounds with user adjustability. The rifle also accepts MSR pattern magazines. Each SPD Predator ships with a Harris SLM bipod. The SPD Predator comes with an MSRP of $2,510.